Welcome to Little House in South Woods. Today, I'm going to show you how to make an easy and delicious French toast. In a medium-sized bowl, preferably shallow, beat together 2 eggs. Add 1/2 cup of milk, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1/8 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Take 6 slices of French bread, about 1 inch thick, and dip the bread into the egg mixture, coating both sides. Allow the bread to soak in the egg mixture for a few seconds. In a skillet or on a griddle, cook the bread in hot butter over medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Or until golden brown. Serve with your favorite maple syrup. Enjoy!